So you guys, we're hungry for some sushi learn and earn campaign. So this campaign is currently live. It says you're hungry for sushi. Okay, SUSHI Tokens. It says join the sushi learn and earn campaign. So this campaign just got updated that is a learn and earn campaign is live. So it says here that Coinmarketcap works with trusted emerging projects to offer an easy way to learn about cryptocurrency, earning crypto asset as a reward. So Coinmarketcap users can learn about SushiSwap through learn and earn and then take a short quiz. If a user successfully completes the quiz, they will receive sushi as a reward. So the Sushi Earn campaign's reward pool is $50,000 SUSHI Tokens. So guys, take note. The reward pool is $50,000 because as of the last upload we did on polkastarter, I think we had comments that why the title of the video was $25,000. And that's really the sum total of the tokens they are giving out. That's the worth. So you can see here it's $50,000. So it's not a clickbait. It's 50,000 watts. That's the watts they are giving out. So if you divide that by the number of persons that they are giving it to, that's how you get your particular uh, token. So I'm going to check it to know how much they are giving every participant that successfully completes the quiz. So the SushiSwap Learn and Earn campaign will run from July 22, 12 p.m. UTC. So I think I'm going to confirm if it's available now, but I'm not sure as of recording this video if it's the quiz has started yet. But mind you, we'll try as much as possible to drop the quiz answers and the quiz questions in the comment section below. But there's a place where we do get the answers. We drop them on our polkastarter quiz upload, the one we did last. So you can check the comment section, you see it there. I'll still try my best to drop it here for you, so you can get access to the quiz questions and to the quiz answers that we'll be using. So the SushiSwap Learn and Earn campaign run from 12 p.m. UTC to the 31st of July 23 UTC. So it's going to end by the end of the month. So the quiz will open at 12 p.m. UTC on July 22. And we're currently in July already. We're currently in July, but it's not 12. Okay, I'm going to check that. So let's prepare for the quiz. So you can, I'll be dropping all the links in the description box below. So it says here, this is a disclaimer by Coinmarketcap. It said Coinmarketcap reserves the right to disqualify trades that those are for trades. So you can go through this disclaimer. So users who solve the quiz will receive $1 of SUSHI token. So the worth of the SUSHI token you'll be receiving is just $1. It's $1, but you can invite your friends, and you all can. The more people you invite to participate in this quiz, the more your worth. So if you invite 1,000 people to partake in this quiz, in this learn and earn campaign, that's about $1,000 that you've gotten free. So it says by accessing and using Coinmarketcap services, you represent and warrant that you have not been included in any trade embargoes or economic sanctions. So Coinmarketcap reserves. So this is just disclaimer, guys. This is disclaimer. So I'm going to click on this stuff. Let's check out. I'm going to click on take lessons to see how far this quiz, if it's started yet for us to participate. Let me pause this video. I think it's loading already. So this is it. There's the 5 answers and passive income while offsetting crypto risk completely. Swap on final deposit, swap time, make you swap. So let's click on take the quiz. So guys, we just clicked on take the quiz. So let's see how possible what's gonna show us. So you click on this jot form. I will drop in the link to this jot form below. This jot form. Okay guys, it says here that currently now the quiz questions are not out. So it's going to be open by 12 p.m. That's I think it's about 7 hours from, as of 6 or 7 hours from recording, as of the time of recording this video. So guys, keynote keynote is that these questions, this learn and learn campaign, you can check the frequency asked questions there about these SushiSwap. Those are kind of those would be the likely questions that they're going to ask. I think they are about 10 in number. Then I'll suggest you keep you prepare yourself for coming. So all you need to keep and be ready for, you just prepare yourself. You'll be using your Binance ID, then your email address that you've registered with Coinmarketcap. So you need to register on Coinmarketcap. You need to get your Binance ID ready. You can, I think that's just the basic things you'll be needing for these quiz questions. Then maybe you might also need to put on. I think that's the major things. So guys, one love, peace out. If there's time enough, we'll be dropping the likely questions or the quiz questions as soon as possible. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to stick with us. We're dropping more updates on these and future ones that are incoming. So one love guys.